HustleMan, back at you with another small project. Today we got a 2007 Infinity QX56. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. Not hard. It's something that you can do. Remember, you can do it. Save you some money. Don't let those oil lube places run you up. Just do it yourself. I'm about to show you how to do it. Let's get started. Underneath the dashboard, you'll find two little clips right here. If you can see it, you see them? Like, you can move it back and forth. If when you look up under there, you'll see it. Just gotta kind of twist it and move it that way. Oh, there, what fell up in there. There you go. Then there's one right there on the other side. Huh? As you can see, this cabin air filter has never been replaced, but we're gonna get it took care of today.